If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, we're going to be talking about using resistance bands to work your back, and I'm going to be showing you a straight arm push down to work your back using resistance bands from a high anchor point. So let's jump in. I have my bands anchored to a high anchor point. Check out my other video on setting up these wall anchors for yourself. Make it easy and accessible, but you can use a door anchor as well. So from high to low, you want to make sure that's anchor up high. This essentially is going to work in a similar fashion to a lat pull down. Check out my other video on that. But it's a variation where you essentially are keeping your arms straight. You're not coming down because you're going to end up working your triceps if you're bending your arm. Keeping your arms straight, you're coming down, straight arm push down. You're going to come back, and you can feel that in your lats when you come down and get that contraction at the bottom. You can feel that. So it's kind of a variation of a lat pull down, but it works from a slightly different angle. So high anchor point, coming down, keeping your arms straight, coming down, full contraction, and coming back up. Pretty straightforward. Another thing that I have sometimes added is getting a dowel if you have something else that works better, but DIY it. I'll put this through. And note, I'm also kneeling down so that I can get to the right resistance and focus on the muscles I want to. But with this dowel, I'm able to now have a handle and focus on straight arm, push down, keeping arms straight, activate those lats. When you come down, you can just hold the band, you can loop it around, have some kind of handle. You can even get those handles that clip on, keeping your arms straight, and there you have it. While if you want to get the right resistance, you want to make sure closer you are to the anchor point, the tighter that the stronger that resistance is going to be. You can kneel all the way down if you need to. So you can mess around with that, see what works for you, but straight arm push down using resistance bands from a high anchor point. So there you have it. Hopefully that helps you on your fitness journey. High anchor point, lat, straight arm push down. Different way to work your back. Great exercise, something you can do on the go or at home, hotel, etc. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comments below. If you want to see something else you're wondering about, make sure to leave that below as well. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Check out some of my other videos. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.